Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have two really quick unboxings for you. I got a PinchMe box from PinchMe.com. It is just a website where you can try samples of things, give your review on the PinchMe website, and then you're eligible for future boxes. I think they mail these out once a month, maybe once every 6 weeks or so. I can't remember exactly, but it is PinchMe.com. So I have a few things that they sent me on there, and I also have my Sephora Play unboxing. So I am going to start really quick with PinchMe. There's only a few items in here. There is a lot of literature on all sorts of things, where you can get them. There is a free box from Graze. This is like nutritious snacks or whatever. Not keto approved, I'm sure, but you know, some days you gotta have a cheat day. All right, let me pop into this box real quick and show you what is in here, and we will get on with it. The first one is one of those products that if you get on the PinchMe website, you will understand. If there's a sample available and you still have slots in your cart or whatever, you kind of have to take whatever samples they have there. If you want to check out, like if they're offering 3 things and you only put 2 in your cart, it won't let you check out until you add the 3rd thing. I hope that makes sense. The first thing that I got is this Sugru moldable glue, which is kind of weird. But hey, it could come in handy, I'm sure. It is literally moldable glue. This one is brown. Apparently, it kind of feels like putty, like silly putty that I used to play with when I was a kid. And apparently you can hold things together with it. It's weird, but you know, hey, it was free. I get to try it. The next thing I got was this Native deodorant. It is super, super tiny, and it is sealed. I want to open it and smell it. Oh, it's not sealed. It's just, it wasn't the cap, like a short cap that comes off. It's a long cap. Oh, that smells really good. It's cucumber and mint. That smells really good. It just kind of looks like your standard deodorant. I'm going to have to read the literature on this. I love the smell. I love anything cucumber, and y'all know I absolutely adore mint. So that could be fun and perfect travel size. Look how tiny that little guy is. I like that. And the only other thing that I got is from Sauce Beauty. This is a deep moisture mask for your hair. You know I like hair stuff. This is Guacamole Whip is what it's called. Avocado, argan oil, and Manoi oil. And there it is. That's what that looks like. And it's hard to tell if I can get more than one mask out of this. Probably not, because my hair's a little bit longer now, so you know. All right, moving on to Sephora Play. I cut it open, and I did a little peek, but I didn't really get into the products. This is what it looks like inside. The paper is upside down, of course. This has like your information on the inside, which I didn't really look at. You can get your extra 50 bonus points if you make a purchase online or in store. You just take that in with you and they will put that onto your account. And let's get into the products. They are right here. This obviously is the new trend. This is like the 3rd or 4th month that we've gotten these little plastic Ziploc baggies, which is fine. I may or may not use them for things. I don't know yet. All right, reaching in, I got a Sephora Collection Rouge Gel Lip Liner. It's just something like this. I'm gonna pop the seal on this if I can. It's got one of those silly little like stickers on it, and I can't open it. It doesn't want to open. I'm fighting it for all I'm worth here. And it's pretty neutral looking, nothing but nude. That is the color that I got. I can always use lip liners. I am one of those people that still loves a good lip liner. All right, reaching into here, it is the Believe in Truth, the True Cream Moisturizing Balm. I'm not that happy to get this one. I will try it, but everything that I've gotten through Belief so far has been a little too much for my skin. The eye balm was like the least bad, but yeah, I would be surprised if that's not too heavy for my skin. It might just be used on my neck because that's, you know, it's where I use all the stuff that doesn't work on my face. Ooh, I wanted to try this. This is the Lancome Bifacile Double Action Eye Makeup Remover, which is kind of cool. I would never spend that kind of money for this one because I'm really enjoying like my Equate Beauty. Yeah, I like that one, but I always like to try makeup removers, and you know, it's a great little size. It'll be gone before I travel next, but maybe I'll keep the container so I don't have to take a really big thing with me. Reaching in for the next thing is by Trestique, and this is Paris Pink. It is a mini lip glaze. More lip stuff. It looks like a pretty color. If that is true to what it looks like inside, and it's sealed, so I don't want to open it just yet. Yeah, that's actually a pretty color. Probably very easy to use. And if it's in pencil form, it's probably, you know, I probably will like it more. And let's see, this is, what is this? This is a Sephora Gel Gloss Ultra Brilliant, can't talk, Ultra Shine Lip Gel in the color Perfect Nude. A lot of nudeness going on. They must know that this is the end of Let's Get Naked. So, they're getting their naked on too. All right, and is there anything else in here? I think this is the last product, and this is one that I really, really wanted to try, and I hope I like it. I really hope I like it. This is the Too Faced Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer. It's just a little one right here. The word matte in a primer makes me happy. I really hope it is matte, and I really hope that my skin likes it, because when I am done with the only other primer that I have in my collection, I will be slowly looking for my Holy Grail primer. So this is one less that I have to buy and try because I have it now, and I'm very excited about. This is the one that I'm most excited about to get in this box. So I'm pretty happy with it. Again, not super excited about the moisturizer just because I have problem skin, but everything else I'm pretty excited to try. I am curious to see what you guys got in your Sephora Play boxes this month. I almost said week, but no, they come monthly, not weekly. Thank God, otherwise it would get expensive quick. Yeah, I'm pretty okay with this one. I noticed there was no perfume and there was no like hair stuff in this one, but you know, I got 3 lip products because I don't have enough lip products. Now, I'm okay with the lip products that I got, but I do miss getting perfume samples. That is what I really like. It's that bonus perfume, but you know, they got to mix it up a little bit. You don't want the same all the time. So what did you guys get in your box? Let me know down in the comments, or if you have done a video, let me know that and I'll come check it out. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.